Good morning children, welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, yesterday just homework problems, just listen 51 matching. See first one, a plus b is equal to b plus a. A plus b is equal to b plus a. This is known as which property? Commutative under addition. Q is correct. Next, second one. A into b is equal to b into a. This is also which property? Commutative property under multiplication. P. Third one. A into b. A plus of b plus c is equal to a plus b of plus c. This is which property? Associative property. Or next one. A 0 plus a plus 0 is equal to a. This is identity under which sign have here? Addition. So identity under addition. T. Then last one what? 4 only here. So answers Q, P, R, T. Q, P, R, T. Option A is correct. Option A. Next 52. The multiplicative identity in the set of whole numbers. Which is the multiplicative identity? Means if you multiply any number with 1, what you are getting? Same number we have to get. So here 1 is called what? Multiplicative identity in the set of whole numbers. 1. 52 answer 1. 53. The additive identity in the set of whole numbers. Which is additive identity? 0. 53 answer 0. Successor of least whole number is. Which is the smallest or least whole number? 0. 0 next to number what? 1. So successor of 0 what? 1. 54 answer 1. Next 55. Predecessor of 1 in the set of whole numbers. Predecessor of 1. Set of whole numbers. These are now 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. In this set, 1 predecessor what? 1 before number 0. So answer 0. 56th one. Even prime number is. Which is the even prime number? 2. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. In this all prime numbers are odd numbers except 2, and it is the smallest prime number also. So 2 is the even prime number. 57. Least odd prime number. Which is the least odd prime number? Prime number, odd prime number means 3 you are getting. Only least odd number means what you are getting? 1. So 1 answer. 58. The predecessor of least 2-digit number is. Which is the least 2-digit number? 10. 10 predecessor what? 9. So you get 9. So 58th answer 9. Which is the least 2-digit number means smallest 2-digit number 10. Greatest 2-digit number 99. So smallest 2-digit number predecessor is greatest 1-digit number, that is 9. So these are yesterday homework problems. Ninth one. Add man out type. 1 is different, remaining 3 are same. 59th one. See, all whole numbers are not natural numbers. 1 is the least natural number. 0 is the least whole number. These 3 statements are correct. So D is wrong. D, see here. The successor of 2-digit number, always say 2-digit number, wrong. Successor of 2-digit number means if you take 99, 99 successor 100, it is a 3-digit number. So always not a 2-digit number. So option D. 60. What they given? Option A 16. Option B 60, 60. Option C 33. Option D 72. See, observe here. Option A, B, D are even numbers. Only different is what? C, 33 odd numbers. So 60, option C, different that one. Remaining 3 are even numbers. Next one, all are odd numbers. Option B is even number. A, C, D are odd numbers given. See here, 921, 335, 323. So B, 332 is even number. Next, 62. The sum of two even numbers is, if you take any two even numbers, 2 plus 4, how much? 6. 4 plus 10, how much? 14. We are getting even number, but they given 0. So it is wrong. The sum of two even numbers is 0. Wrong. The sum of two even numbers is always even number. So remaining 3 are correct. The difference of any two even numbers is even. The product of two even numbers is also even. The sum of an even and odd also you will get odd. So these up to 62 completed. Question number 63. The sum of first 5 odd natural numbers. See here, odd natural numbers, say first 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Their sum they are asking. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. We have one formula, n square. Means how many odd numbers we take in 5 now? 5 square. How much you will get 5 square? 25. 5 into 5. 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5. So here see, 7 plus 3, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25. So by using formula n square, so 5 into 5, you take in 5 odd numbers now. So 5 square, 25 we will get. Option B. Option B is correct. 64th one. Sum of first 10 even natural numbers. 10 even numbers first 2. 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you will get? Sum. What is the formula? Sum of first two even natural numbers, n square plus or n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1. How many even numbers? 10. 10 into 10 plus 1. How much you will get? 10 plus 1, 11. 11 tens are 110 answer. Answer 110. Option A. 65. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 11 means middle which odd numbers you will get? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. They given here dash dash up to 11. These are odd numbers now. 1, 3, 5. So 5 after which odd number you will get? 7. 7 after 9. So after 11. So their sum they are asking. How many odd numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 odd numbers means 6 square. 6 into 6. 6 6 are how much? 36. If you add this one also you get 36. See 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 25 plus 11, 36. So answer 36. Option A. Option A. Next one, 66. 66th question. The difference between the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number. Which is the largest 5-digit number? 99,999. And the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number, what you will get? 10,000. Their difference, what you will get? 89,999. Option B. Option B. Next one. 67 homework, 68 homework, 69 I will say, 70 I will say, 67 homework problems, 67, 68, 67, 68 and 71, 72, 74. So these are homework problems. So now look at 69th problem. Number of whole numbers between 38 and 68. 69th one. Just you do difference. 68 minus 38. 6 minus 3. Again we have to subtract 1. What you will get? 29. So what is answer? 29. See, look at once. Between they are asking now number of whole numbers between. So you should not write 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. These are 10 to 10. Correct. 29. No need to write. Just you subtract given numbers and again subtract 1. Will get, this is the rule for every between rational any numbers. Just you subtract given numbers and again 1 you subtract. You will get between numbers 68, 38 to 68 middle 29 numbers, whole numbers are there. Next one. If A, B are two whole numbers, then A minus B is A. A, B are two whole numbers, then A minus B. A minus B is a whole number, a natural number, a integer, cannot be determined. See here. If you take all examples, for example A7, B3, 7 minus 3, 4, it is a whole number. But if you take 5, 8, A5, B8, what you will get? Minus 3. So in the set of whole numbers, negatives are not there, so cannot determine. Option D. Cannot determine. 70, option D. Next to 73. Problem number 73. 73. Problem number 73. The additive inverse of a negative integer is. The additive inverse of a negative integer is always a positive. Means what? Minus 3. Minus 3 additive inverse means plus 3. Then you will get 0. So negative means positive. Positive opposite negative. So what is answer? Is always positive. Option B. 73. Option B. The additive inverse of a negative integer is always a positive integer. The additive inverse of every positive integer is negative. Opposite. 75, 74 homework. 75 see here. A 29-inch color TV set cost 32,565 and 21 inches model cost 18,675. How much more does the bigger TV set cost? See here. 29-inch cost how much? 32,565 and 21 inch 18,675. How much more bigger TV means what you have to do? You have to find the difference. You have to find difference. 5 minus 5, 0. 16 minus 7, 9. 14 minus 6, 8. Here what left? 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 13,890. Option A. 13,890. So, remaining problems tomorrow we will discuss. So, today homework problems are 67, 68, 71, 72, 74. Thank you. Have a nice day.